Yo, what's going on, guys? So I just want to make a real short demo for the team on what I've been working on. Um, I've been working on this project for I want to say about maybe from the beginning of September. Well, maybe like August and September. Yeah, let's say like August and September. Um, I just want to run through it. This is dispute GPT. So this is the name of the dispute letter builder that I've been working on. And let's just jump right into it real quick. This should be a real short demo. Again, this is not going to be anything you haven't seen before. There's a couple new things, but more or less the same, right? So something that have changed, the program actually has modes in it now. So instead of jumping right into the dispute mode, let's jump into help. So the help option pretty much just shows you all the commands that you're able to use inside of the command line to use within the program. So this is pretty much these little commands are pretty much you interacting with the program, right? So pretty much the things that have changed really is that I made two distinct modes. So you have a dispute mode and you have a chat mode. Uh, Plain and simple, the dispute mode, obviously disputes. Chat mode is akin to chat GPT. I want to do a little bit more with that, but as of right now, it's just something that I wanted to add. I just had a theory, so I just kind of went for it and made it. So again, let's just run through dispute mode real quick. Let's run through the command. So the command is python cli.py. Right here, that's the actual name of the script that I wrote the actual code on. So it has to call the script, and then we initiate the mode that we want the program to enter. So mode dispute PDF path just tells the program that we're going to add an actual PDF path. So the PDF path would be the Experian PDF, right? So what we're going to do is come here, click this, copy as path right here. Once you copy as path, you just want to paste it in and then click enter. And the program has entered dispute mode. Welcome to Dispute GPT. Gives you a description of the program, gives you another message on how to use it. So once the path is in, it automatically starts to work. You don't have to really do anything else. The minute you paste the path of the PDF in, boom, it extracts all the derogatory cans out, right? So then the program down here lets you choose which which account you want to work on. So let's do one for the JP Morgan. Entity is Experian, yes. Let's click yes. Action. This is pretty much one part of the dispute reason. So you have to give it an action. This is a charge off. Um, Disputing charged off account. Issue. I'm disputing this charged off account because the account isn't mine, and I believe it is fraudulent, and I've received no correspondence from the credit bureaus verifying this account, right? So the minute that you press enter, it takes those two parts, the action and issue, and creates a prompt. And then that prompt is used to create your dispute letter. That prompt is given to GPT-3, and then GPT-3 makes a letter based off of your prompt, based off the action, and based off the issue. So let's hit enter. Boom, shoots out a letter. Right, name your address, city, zip code, date, Experian, PO box, address, perfect. Subject, dispute, account not mine, potential fraudulent, lack of verification, the Experian, hope this letter, da 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 da, the account name, the account number, so it cites that correctly. Cool. I've taken appropriate steps to rectify the situation by contacting credit bureaus and Experian. Very, very good. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Please investigate the account in question and provide me with documentation evidence supporting this. Da, 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 da. Very basic stuff that we all know. Boom, boom, boom. Very simple, very easy. Then it goes to TransUnion, and then after TransUnion prints, it goes to Equifax, right? So I'm not going to print those out. No, it's going to shoot an error back at me. I already did this video once. So I got to take note of that. Boom. So that's pretty much the dispute process right there in dispute mode. There are a couple kinks. So pretty much once you go through that first round of making the letters for that account, the loop doesn't start over. I had like trouble in development trying to get the loop to start back over for the next account in the list. So you pretty much just have to run it again for right now until I actually fix it. And that is on my list to fix, so it will be fixed. All right. So that's really the only like tedious thing that you have to do is just run the accounts, run each account as a separate, uh, uh, um, a separate call to the program. So that's really like the most annoying part that needs to be fixed. There are a couple other things that I do want to do. I do want to create a switch command that allows you to switch from modes. And then I want to edit the letter inside of the terminal as well. So those are things that I'm going to actually develop um, in time. I just want to give you guys a demo. Well, just an internal demo of how like we can use this when we're doing credit repair and how we're going to teach people to use this for people who come to us that actually want to run a credit repair business, right? So next we can go into chat mode. Chat mode isn't anything to really scoff about right now. Um, I just thought it'd be cool to kind of implement it. So that is the command python cli.py dash dash mode chat. And it shows you selected mode chat and then user. This is pretty much just like ChatGPT. You can just type whatever you want to type and the AI will give you a response. Um, what do I want to ask it? Um, um, dissect and break down Matthew chapter 6, verse 3 through 5, King James Version. And it doesn't work. Why? Chat with OpenAI is not defined. Perfect. This is lovely. Finding bugs in the demo. This is perfect. So I gotta fix this. Fucking great. That is development for you, man. Just, oh, you're doing a demo? Yeah, fuck you. Oh, so that's something I gotta fix, but that'll pretty much be ChatGPT inside of your terminal. I do have a goal for this. Um, it just hasn't come to fruition yet. So so the error pulled, so it automatically kind of kicked me out of the program. But this is just a short little demo, just showing you what I've been working on. I'm actually really proud of this. Uh, there are things I gotta fix, but it's really fucking cool to me. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, any comments, I'm going to drop this video on Slack, so you can respond in Slack, or just wait till we have our meetings during the week. Um, yeah. So that was it. That was the demo. This is Dispute GPT. an early alpha version that we're going to be using internally to kind of test. You guys are going to be a very big part of this, um, helping me find bugs or helping me kind of think of it in a different way. Because as a developer, you can kind of get very tunnel visioned on what you want and how you want to build it, and it doesn't allow you to kind of take in the nuance and vision that other people have, or just their taste or whatever. So you guys are going to be a very integral part of this. If this felt intimidating because of the commands, I'm going to create videos on all this stuff to break it down. So don't worry. It shouldn't be that hard. It should be very easy, very smooth. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this. This is the beginning of our software company, man, and I'm really excited. So that is the demo. Um, you'll have other videos coming out on how to download this from GitHub. You'll have GitHub videos. I'm about to turn you niggas into nerds, so I hope y'all ready. But yeah, that's all, man. Just look forward to the next couple videos that I'm gonna drop. And peace. Enjoy your weekend.